Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Addis local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance shift is one of the most difficult tasks to complete. It requires certain permissions and licenses to travel around, while it needs more planning and workforce to complete it. However, you don't need to worry. Our moving firm, 3 Movers, is certified and has a good working relationship with the local Federation Association. We have the essential equipment to pack and load, unload your belongings, which minimizes the risk of damage. If you are moving locally, try hiring a professional team of movers like 3 Movers, because even if you are shifting locally, the efforts are still the same. It will require you to pack, load, shift, unload, and resettle your stuff. In addition, it can be difficult for you to handle delicate or heavyweight items without any prior experience. But if you hire trained movers, they will efficiently pack your apartment and shift them without any wear and tear. Some moving firms, like 3 Movers, also provide same-day shifts for local areas. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Addis moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.